we are going to brush it on to this right here. I'm not gonna brush this on around the mask base, and then seal the pearl, not the crystal, the pearls can do. And then wait for that for a second, because I'm gonna brush this on too. And then we're going to using the other end, which is the precision brush, precision pins right there, to seal all the gap and edges. And each time you're going to use just a little bit. So I'm not going to squeeze anything out yet. I am going to do a little like exam, and then you start feeling scratchy, you are going to seal it in. If you feel like it's really nice and smooth, it's really good and slick, it means that this one is really cool. It mean that is absolutely sealed so well with the top coat and condensed glue gels. All right, check. It's just like really scratchy, then you seal it right here. But if it feels really smooth and slick, you are good to go. All right, here for 60 seconds, you need to be. Thank you, Dom, for adding the website. I just now have a moment to look up. Sorry, I was in my zone to just really excited for you with all the mixed bag. Grab all the mixed bag. Is so many news is elements in, so that's why you get the mixed bag. It's like really cool and update the new mixed bags. All right, seals and keep for 60 seconds. Let me show the camera really quick. First,